Hey guys, this is Joffrey Ward, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I made money with this survey company. Now, you need to follow exactly the things that I tell you to do. I've even did a link, and the link is going to be below. That's going to send you to the places that you need to go in order to make this money. Okay, so pay attention. I made $35 with this survey site. You can see it right here. I took a screenshot. You know, a user I log in. I took a screenshot because I transferred this money to my bank, and I hit archive, and I don't know where it's at. So if anybody know how you access your archives in PayPal, comment that below so I can know the next time, so I can show you guys live proof. Also, I did this. I got another gift card, or 2 gift cards from Burger King, 2 Burger King gift cards, and both of them was for $5. I've already used them, and I'm gonna find that and I'm gonna open that up for you guys on the next video, because since I've already used them, I can show them to you. But I think it was the week before when I actually used these $5 gift cards. I already use them, so I can show them to you if you guys want to see that. But anyway, this is what you need to do. I'm finna give you the link right now. So bit.ly /survey club /2017. Now, the reason why I did this link like this is so you guys can have access to the survey companies that are going to pay you max amount of dollars. Now, Survey Club has been around since 2005. They're accredited by the Better Business Bureau. They're a legit company, but it's really the survey companies that's inside of them, that's inside Survey Club, that is better. And the reason why you go through those survey sites through Survey Club is because you get a certain amount of points when you when you do this. So what I mean by this is, if you just go to these sites by yourself, you wouldn't make a lot of money up front. So that's how I got this $35 very quickly. I think it was in 2 days, because I went through them and I got the extra points. Now, if you used to do this by yourself, you want to get the extra points. So that's why it's important to go through the link that it's going to be below. It's bit.ly /survey club 2017. Just go through that link and you're gonna get to the survey club, to the survey survey. You're gonna go to Survey Club and you're gonna go to the survey sites through Survey Club. So let me just enter in some fake stuff. Okay, and you were entering your real information. I'm just entering fake stuff for the sake of this video. Okay, so let me pause the video and just enter in this information real quick. Okay, so I entered in all the information. You can see it right here, but you enter in your regular information. You want to enter your real information because Survey Club actually have some survey sites that you could do through them. They can actually make you money through PayPal as well. They'll send you money to your PayPal as well. And I'm gonna tell you right now, most don't even think about the surveys. They actually have paid research and paid product tests that you can do that pay a lot more money than the 50 cent to $1 surveys. But if you don't join, like I'm telling you to join through this link, and you join the survey companies that I'm gonna tell you to join, and you do this, if you do this right, you're going to get those case studies, those big case studies that like $20 to $40, and you even get text messages and emails when they have new research stuff available. So okay, I did select my country. Okay, let me select the country real quick. Boom. Okay, and then you're going to come to here, and like I said, just enter in your information. I'm just gonna put something in here, but you want to put in your real information. Like I said, this is how they get you qualified for the case studies. Higher education. Okay, if you have any of these health information, health, lifestyle, I'm just, like I said, I'm just clicking these things, but you will enter in your real information. Let me uncheck that because I don't want to have to okay, and this is how they get you qualified for these case studies. Okay. Okay. You're just entering your information. It's simple. You're gonna go to step 2. Now this is the part that you need to really zone in on. This is the part where you're gonna make most of your money from Survey Club. You wanna sign up for Global Test Market. I'm telling you the ones to sign up for. Sign up through this. The reason why you sign up through Survey Club is because they give you the exact they give you close to the amount of points you need to cash out. Okay, so this is the reason why you do this. If you were just to go to Global Test Market on your own, they wouldn't give you the extra points that Survey Club is going to give you. So like I said, let me just drill this home because I want everybody to listen to me, because I did this exactly the way I'm telling you to do this right now. Okay, like I said, I'm going to give you step-by-step information that exactly how I make this money. Okay, so it's simple. I did bit.ly/Survey Club 2017. I don't know how I got that link. I think I read a blog post and I went through that link, and this is exactly how I got here. Okay, so bit.ly/Survey Club. I did that information. Although even though this is a fake profile, because I'm just showing you guys how to do this, I created my profile, entered my real information. I did make money with panels, and then I clicked Global Test Market, Harris Poll Online, VIP Voice, and my survey. My survey is a little bit harder because they actually, like, if you get qualified for a survey, they actually want to do you real long surveys, and if you're not into that, I will leave my survey alone. Okay. You hit Global Test Market, Harris Poll, VIP Voice. Okay, and now this is important. Before you move on to step 3, you have to go to step 3. You can't click off of it just like this, because you're not going to get the most opportunities to earn. So once you join Global Test Market, they're going to send you surveys. Harris is going to send you surveys. VIP Voice is going to send you surveys. Global Test Market, I did Burger King, and I did a couple other things. I'm going to show you guys more proof of that when I figure out how you get your archives from PayPal. VIP Voice, I've made a little bit of money. I haven't made that much money with it. Global Test Market I have, but I made the majority of my money through Survey Club's their case studies, which is where $35 came from. Okay, so go to step 3, and it's going to ask you, wait, did you at least join 3 panels? If not, hit cancel, go back. Just join those 3 panels: Global Test Market, Harris Poll, VIP Voice. Hit OK, and you're going to go to step 3. Now you have to go, in order to get your surveys from Survey Club, which are the big surveys, $35 surveys that I did in order to make this money that I just showed you guys. You have to go to step 3. Okay, you have to go to step 3, and it's going to tell you you're going to receive an average of 1 to 4 emails of paid surveys. Just pick the ones you want to do. Amazon gift cards or check it. It depends on however you want to be rewarded. Okay, so see all available studies. If it will hurry up and load up. And right now it's just checking to see if I joined those three survey sites. So I guess that's why it's taking so long. Okay, I guess since I already did this. Also, you can't sign up twice. If it recognizes your IP address, you can't sign up twice. So that's the reason. And you can see that in their policy. So if they recognize your IP address, so if you sign up twice, you will not have that many surveys. Also, you can come over here and refer a friend. You can get $1 per person you refer, if you want to do that, but you can only refer up to 5. So I wouldn't even waste my time. Like, if you could actually refer more people through Survey Club, I would have did that. But you can only refer 5. I think or up to 3. Let me see. Yeah, up to 5. I mean, yeah, up to $5. So it's not even worth it. Okay, so don't even waste your time with it. Okay, so but you won't see this in available studies. You won't see this on your profile when you follow my steps. Okay, you're going to see a whole bunch of surveys, and surveys that you can do: clinical trials, taste tests, mystery shopping. They have research panels and focus groups. Like if I on my profile, I have a whole lot more surveys and a whole lot more taste testing panels on there than the one I just created. I'm just showing you how to do this, but I have a bunch of taste tests and clinical trials. I don't really do mystery shopping because it involves you to take pictures with your phone and stuff like that. But if you want to do that, you know, you're more than welcome to do that. But follow those 3 steps. I mean, those 4 steps. Let me lay it out one more time before I end this video, and I'm gonna just show you the payment proof one more time so you guys can know that I'm serious. This is legit. You see my name right here, Jeffrey Ward Jr. And where's that Burger King gift card that I got from Survey Club as well. So simple steps. I'm gonna leave the link below so you won't have to type it in. Just click that link, go over to Survey Club, create that profile like we did. If you don't know how to do that, rewind the video and just watch it again. Step 1, do that, create the account. Step 2, set up your profile. Step 3, Step 2, register for the panels. And step 3, get your available settings. It's simple. It is easy. 1-by-1 steps that you can do in order to earn money online right now. Do that. I'm going to leave the link below. If you have any questions, comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. This has been Joffrey Ward, the Modern Internet Marketer, and peace out.